Ever wondered why HTML and CSS are often mentioned together, but are they the same thing? Well, let's delve into this. HTML, or hypertext markup language, and CSS, known as cascading style sheets, are two fundamental languages in the realm of web development. They might seem similar, but they are as different as bones are from skin. HTML is the language that gives a website its structure and content. It's like the skeleton of the website holding everything together. Each element on a web page, be it a paragraph, an image, or a video, is structured using HTML. On the other hand, CSS is all about the aesthetics, the look, and the formatting of a website. It's like the skin and clothes that give the website its style. It determines the colors, the fonts, the layout, and all the elements that make a website visually appealing. So, in essence, HTML is the bones of a website, while CSS is the skin and clothes that make it look appealing. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of HTML. HTML, standing for Hypertext Markup Language, is the cornerstone of any website. It's like the blueprint that tells the browser what to display and how to organize it. HTML uses specific tags to define different elements on a page. These elements can range from headings and paragraphs to images, links, and lists. Think of these tags as the building blocks of a website. Each tag serves a unique purpose and helps shape the structure of the page. One of the key aspects of HTML is that it's a standard language, universally understood by web browsers. This means that no matter what browser you're using, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, it will understand and correctly interpret the HTML code. HTML, therefore, is the foundation upon which every website is built. Having understood HTML, it's time to add some style with CSS. Cascading style sheets, or CSS as it's more commonly known, is the language used to make a web page look good. It's the stylist of the web world, handling everything from layout to colors, fonts, and more. Think of HTML as the bones of a web page. It gives structure to the content. CSS, on the other hand, is like the skin and clothes that make those bones look appealing. It's what gives a web page its unique look and feel. But CSS doesn't just style one element at a time. Oh no, it's far more powerful than that. With CSS, you can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Imagine being able to change the look of an entire website with just a few lines of code. That's the power of CSS. As such, CSS is the magic wand that transforms a bare-bones HTML web page into a visually appealing site.